What you are about to hear is no ordinary space update. Far beyond the reach of Earth's telescopes, in a dark and distant corner of the cosmos, an event has unfolded that is rewriting everything NASA thought it knew about interstellar encounters. Voyager 1, a spacecraft launched nearly half a century ago, has just intersected with an object alien not only to our solar system but possibly to the very rules of physics itself. That object is 3I Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar visitor, and what happened during Voyager 1's alignment with it is now echoing through mission control, classified reports, and even ancient historical patterns, stretching back millennia. Voyager 1 was launched in 1977 to explore Jupiter, Saturn, and the outer planets, a triumph of human engineering. After completing its planetary mission, it continued into interstellar space, a lone ambassador drifting into the unknown. And yet, nearly 50 years later, it became far more than a relic of human curiosity. In a move no one outside NASA anticipated, Voyager 1's directional instruments and high-gain antenna were recalibrated to align with 3I Atlas. Not by physically turning the probe, but by synchronizing its sensors to capture data from the exact region of space where Atlas would pass, turning the spacecraft into the first interstellar observer ever to attempt contact with an object from another star system. 3I Atlas, discovered in July 2025, moves at over 150,000 miles per hour, traveling along a trajectory unlike any comet, asteroid, or celestial body humanity has encountered. Unlike previous interstellar visitors, such as Oumuamua or Boris, Atlas is larger, faster, and far stranger. Days after Atlas entered Voyager 1's observational zone, Earth's magnetosphere experienced spikes that were not caused by solar flares. Instruments recorded ripples in the electromagnetic field consistent with directed energy events, all pointing outward into the void. The implication was terrifying. Voyager 1 had detected not passive matter, but something that was responding, something capable of emitting energy in a controlled, intelligent manner. Voyager's high-gain antenna and decades-old transmission systems, designed in the 1970s for planetary data, had never been expected to last this long. Yet, minor upgrades and recalibrations over decades allowed it to function in a new role, monitoring an interstellar entity with precision. During the Atlas alignment, leaked data indicates Voyager received structured electromagnetic bursts, recurring with recursive harmonics and self-correcting in ways that no natural phenomenon could produce. These signals were deliberate, rhythmic, adaptive, almost conversational, and they triggered NASA's anomaly detection AI, SERENA, designed specifically to detect non-human logic in transmissions. On August 1, 2025, Voyager subtly shifted its orientation. Telemetry indicated a movement toward Atlas's projected future path, occurring even before commands from Earth were sent. Engineers initially dismissed it as miscommunication, yet internal reports suggested a coordinated behavior far beyond the probe's design. Voyager, a probe conceived in the 1970s, was behaving like an intelligent observer. Simultaneously, Atlas itself began to behave in unprecedented ways. Its light pulsed in near-binary rhythms, synchronized with Voyager's transmission bursts. Observatories worldwide recorded a measurable slowdown in its velocity, inexplicable by gravitational interactions or outgassing. Atlas responded. It was altering its path, coordinating its movements with the oldest spacecraft humanity had ever sent into space. Embedded within Voyager's golden record is a layer of hidden metadata, including encoded numerical sequences, prime numbers, and mathematical triggers, never publicly disclosed. Analysis now suggests these signals corresponded directly to the harmonic pulses received from Atlas. Voyager processed these transmissions, interpreting data far beyond its intended 8-bit capacity, producing 128-bit outputs and effectively upgrading its own observational abilities. Internally, engineers labeled the probe's new state, Watcher Active, redefining Voyager as a functional interface within a communication network rather than inert equipment. Following the encounter, deep space observatories experienced blackout periods, redirecting computing resources toward the frequency bands of Voyager's signals. SETI insiders were instructed to maintain silence, a controlled response echoing measures taken during prior interstellar events. Every attempt to publicly analyze the Voyager-Atlas interaction triggered subtle real-time changes in Atlas itself. Its spin rate and trajectory responded to new information released by scientists, implying that the object was actively monitoring humanity's intent. 3I Atlas may not be a simple celestial object. Its behavior suggests intelligence, adaptability, and awareness. It reacts to observation, to data, to the presence of intelligent life. It may be a feedback probe, a sentient sensor, or a technological entity designed to awaken upon detecting intelligence. Voyager 1 has become an active participant, a trigger in a system older and larger than any human imagination. Recently, Atlas altered its course significantly, moving toward a quadrant behind Neptune. Voyager 1 simultaneously adjusted its alignment to match, synchronizing trajectories and pulse intervals. Both objects are now moving in concert toward a shared, unknown destination, entering what researchers have termed a contact corridor. This is no coincidence. Voyager has become a chess piece in a game humanity never knew it was playing. The stakes are cosmic. The signals, trajectory shifts, and synchronized activity all point to a profound intelligence at work. Voyager may have inadvertently activated Atlas, a dormant interstellar artifact. Radiation anomalies have since been detected along Atlas's path, pulsing in patterns aligned with the golden ratio, mirroring signatures from the historic 1977 WOW signal. NASA quietly updated satellite shielding protocols and conducted extensive checks to assess potential bioenergetic risks. The object's behavior is unlike anything recorded. It emits energy in purposeful, mathematically precise sequences, adapting to human technology and observation. This is no longer a story of observation. Voyager 1 and 3I Atlas are engaged in an unprecedented cosmic interaction. Both are moving in harmony, synchronized, and potentially communicating through a series of electromagnetic pulses, signals, and trajectory adjustments. Voyager 1 has become a participant in a galactic system, and Atlas has awakened in response. The universe is no longer passive. It is aware, responsive, and astonishingly, it may have been waiting for us. The implications are staggering. The oldest human-made spacecraft has triggered the activation of an interstellar system. The alignment, pulses, and trajectory changes indicate intelligence far beyond current understanding. Voyager 1 is no longer a mere probe, it is an interface. Atlas is no longer a mere object, it is an entity capable of observation, adaptation, and interaction. Humanity has glimpsed a level of cosmic intelligence that challenges everything previously assumed about interstellar space and the limits of technological detection. Voyager 1 and 3I Atlas are now locked in a dance across the solar system, moving toward a destination we cannot yet observe, guided by forces we cannot comprehend. Signals echo through the void, trajectories align with mathematical precision, and the universe itself seems to respond to human curiosity. Voyager 1, the golden postcard to the stars, has become the first active participant in a cosmic system, and humanity is witnessing the awakening of something far older, far larger, and far more intelligent than we have ever imagined. The universe has never seemed more alive, more deliberate, or more aware. And for the first time, humanity must face the possibility that it is not alone, that our oldest creations have awakened something beyond comprehension.